reviews best motorcycles for beginners. Royal Enfield Himalayan. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of motorcycles, specifically for those who are just starting out. We have a real gem to showcase, the Royal Enfield Himalayan. This versatile and beginner-friendly adventure motorcycle has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The Royal Enfield Himalayan is a lightweight and agile adventure motorcycle designed for both on-road and off-road riding. It's powered by a 411 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for new riders. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the Himalayan is its affordability. As a smaller displacement motorcycle, it's a more budget-friendly option compared to larger bikes, making it a great choice for new riders or those on a tight budget. In terms of performance, the Himalayan offers a good balance of power and handling. Its 411 cubic centimeters engine provides ample power for city riding and highway cruising, while its lightweight design and agile handling make it easy to maneuver through traffic in tight corners. Design and aesthetics. The Himalayan has a classic design that is reminiscent of the classic adventure bikes of the 1960s and 1970s. Its rugged styling and simple lines give it a timeless appeal. Target audience and relevance. The Himalayan is ideal for riders who are looking for a versatile and affordable adventure motorcycle. Its off-road capabilities make it a great choice for those who enjoy exploring dirt trails and gravel roads. Its comfortable riding position and long range also make it suitable for touring and long-distance commuting. Comparison to other beginner motorcycles. When compared to other popular beginner motorcycles, the Royal Enfield Himalayan stands out for its versatility and iconic design. Its off-road capabilities and classic styling make it a unique option for riders who want to explore both on-road and off-road adventures. Expert reviews. The Himalayan has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its comfortable ride, easy handling, and rugged durability. One reviewer from Adventure Bike Rider magazine said, "The Himalayan is a fantastic choice for new riders. It's easy to ride, affordable, and capable of handling a wide range of terrain." Conclusion. The Royal Enfield Himalayan is a well-rounded adventure motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and affordability. Its versatile nature, comfortable ride, and rugged design make it a perfect choice for new riders who want to explore both on-road and off-road adventures. So, if you're looking for a reliable and affordable starter motorcycle that can handle a variety of riding conditions, the Himalayan is definitely worth considering.